Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Delight with Neil. Now today I am here to meet all the queries regarding the sight word. I have come across this thing that many parents don't actually know the meaning of sight words or the concept of sight words. Just as the school gives a list of words to the child, the parents make sure the child learns it and have no clear understanding of its value. So today I am going to make the concept of sight words crystal clear for you all. Do you know there are approximately 100 words that make up 50% of English text? And if you are able to teach those words to a child in a fun and creative way, then the reading ability of a child will be very fluent, which would boost the confidence in the child and in turn motivate the child to read and write easily. So the next question that must be coming to your mind is that what are the sight words? Sight words are the words which are memorized by sight. These are the words which are often repeated in the English text or they frequently occur in the English text. And the third is it consists of words which we cannot read through sounds or which we cannot decode phonetically. So the next question that must be coming to your mind is that if I say that the words which cannot be phonetically decoded are included in the sight word list, then why is it so that some words which are phonetically decoded are also included in the list? The answer to the question is very simple. Sometimes phonetically decoded words appear many times repeatedly in the English text. For example, the word and. The child can decode the word by saying and, the sounds of each letter, and then combining the sounds together to form the word and. But the times the term and appears in the phrases or the text are more. So it may take longer time for a child to decode it every time he sees it. So it's better to learn the word through sight. That's the reason why some phonetically decoded words are also included in the sight word list. Now we can draw a conclusion that sight words are the frequently used words, some of which cannot be phonetically decoded and some of which can be phonetically decoded. The words which cannot be phonetically decoded are also known as tricky words. So, sight words are also known as tricky words. The next question that must be coming to your mind is that when to introduce the sight words to the child. After the child has mastered the alphabets, when the child is able to remember, recognize and write the words, and after the child has a knowledge of all the sounds of alphabets and some of the CVC words, then only we should introduce the sight words to the child. Because introducing it before the phonics would create confusion in the mind of the child whether to memorize the word by sight or to sound it and say. As we know, hundreds of sight words make up 50% of English text. It includes Dodge primer sight words and Fry sight words. I don't want to make this video a longer one, so I'll provide the words in another video, the link of which is given in the description box below. Now, how to teach the sight words to the child? The process to make a child learn these sight words is to see, recognize and say those words frequently so that their cognitive ability helps them to retain those words in their mind, and whenever they see a text they can say it at a glance. Basically, there are 4 steps to follow in order to introduce the sight words to the child. First step is to see and say. For example, if I take a word away, I see the word and I say it and repeat it. Away, away, away. Then second step is spell the word. You have to spell the word. A-W-A-Y, away. A-W-A-Y, away. A-W-A-Y, away. Then third step is we have to close it and ask the child to repeat the word. Then fourth step is to ask the child to write and practice it. The next question is that how many sight words to be taught to a child in a week? As every child is different, you have to go by the child's pace. Initially, you can take 1 word daily to practice or 5 words in a week. And if the child is able to grasp more, then he can take 2 words daily further. There are many techniques through which sight words can be learned in fun, interesting and easy way, which I myself incorporate in my child's routine to learn those words. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned to my channel for further videos on learning easy techniques and activities to learn sight words. Now I hope you have a clear understanding of what sight words are and all your queries have been answered. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.